Hi, Ryan. Ryan, say hi to yourself.
Hello, me. You for me.
Anyway, here's how you add a grade to the grade book. So you've got your four classes here. 1, 2, 3, 4. You won't enter grades for homeroom or RTI. So you can double click on a class period, period 1. There they go. Go to assignment, quick add. All right. If you're adding this for all four classes, you click 1, 2, 3, and 4. Type the assignment name right here, test or vocab, quizzes, or whatever. My gradebook is already weighted. It automatically weights, so everything's a 100. Even though a test is worth more than something else, everything's a 100 because the calculation happens later. So, name 100, doing all four classes, and then this is the tricky part and the part you have to pay attention to. You got to choose what type of assignment it is. You can give them an effort grade for how hard they tried. You can give them an engage grade for paying attention and doing the work. You can give them a prepare grade for showing up prepared. That's a good one for homework. Collectively, these three categories are not worth very much. They're worth 6, 6, and 8 points out of 100.
Do you have a question?
No, I figured it out.
Oh, okay. Chip's on, but they're working on the grade book. I said, why are they so productive?
I'm doing a training video right now.
What, where are you at?
I could probably pause it. Anyway,
What are you training?
I'm teaching him how to enter a grade into gradebook.
Oh, I'll print off the manual.
Well, I'm doing a video, which is way cooler than a manual. I'm gonna have to
My
restart.
manual has pictures.
Oh, just saying.
Okay, I'll print it up because it makes me
You can
feel
print out a
important.
manual
It
too.
makes me feel important.
If we don't have internet or if, yeah, that'd be fine. I'm gonna have to restart this whole video.
So that,
Right, sorry about that. You were here when it happened, so you know what happened. All right, cool. So this is the part that you have to pay attention to. Obviously, you're going to assign it to all four classes. That's easy. Obviously, the max points is 100. Obviously, you're going to give it a name. This is the hard part. You got to choose what type of assignment it is. So these are worth not very many points. Habits of work added together are worth 20 points out of 100. Long-term and short-term assignments added together are worth 80 points taken together, all right? And actually, long-term assignments overall are worth 50. These are worth a huge amount of points. You shouldn't have to enter any of these. You'll just be entering habits of work in short-term. All right, so homework and paragraphs and all that kind of stuff is short-term assignments. Long essays and projects that we work on for weeks and weeks are long-term assignments. So you won't be doing any of those. So basically, you got to decide, am I grading this person on their effort, their engagement, how prepared they were, or how well they actually did at a short-term assignment? That's where you click short-term assignments. That's not it. The important part is if you do a habits of work, it's got to be gradebook, and if it's not habits of work, it's standards. So you got to click standards for short-term and long-term assignments. And if there's an HOW at the front, a how, you got to click gradebook. You can't do all, never do all. Habits of work equals gradebook. Standards equals standards. And that's the important stuff. All right, cool. And then finally, when you're done with that, we'll call this assignment pizza. Just hit add assignment. And it should show up. Why didn't it show up? Did I not just create assignment? Oh God, this is the worst training video anyone's ever made. Term 1, short-term assignments, 100 possible. Okay, it exists. Oh, okay, yeah, over here it says gradebook grades or standards grades. Because it's a standard grade, you click view standard grades, there it is. It says pizza, and then you would go through, you give Hussein a 98, give Killian a 55, terrible job Killian, give Logan a 97 because he's barely worse than Hussein. All right, and then your grades are in and you're good to go. You can just you can just close it. All right. I'm going to delete this. I'm going to delete all this stuff, but I'll do that after the end of the training video.